Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see lightning formatted number in Salesforce. Basically, lightning formatted number is used to format the numbers in decimal, percentage and currency format in Salesforce. So let's get started. I have already logged into my Salesforce org and this is the home page of my Salesforce org. I'm going to create the LWC component using the Lightning Studio extension specifically for development of LWC components. So I'll click on Lightning Studio. Here we already have one component with the name image loader. This component code is already present in my channel. There is a dedicated video on this component. I'll provide the link in the description. So from there you can check that out, or I'll just put the link somewhere around in the video as well. So to create a new component in Lightning Studio, you have to go to this icon which says create new component. Once I click on create new component, here I am required to fill my component name, which is Lightning formatted example, and I want to expose my component to the UI. That's why I'm marking is exposed as true. Then for targets, record a page, app page and home page. I want it to be present on these three pages, but for the demo I'll be just putting it on app page. So I'll click on deploy. So once the component is deployed, it has three files in it. One is HTML file. Sorry, this is image loader. Once the component is deployed, it has three files in it. One is .html, .js and .xml. In the .xml, we have is exposed as true, which we marked in the beginning. Then targets are record page, app page and home page. So to create our component of Lightning formatted example, what I'm going to do is I am going to create one parameter which is formatted number. It will be in camel case. Also the name of the LWC component will be in camel case. So I am just going to give any number. The number which I'm going to give is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 dot 8 1 2 3 4 5. 8 1 2 3 4 5. So this is our number, which is a decimal number. So I want to display this number in my UI. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a card. So without Lightning card also you can display the number, but it will not look good. Look and feel will not be good of the Lightning component. So for that I am creating the Lightning card initially. This is the auto populated code, and yeah. So inside this card body, I am going to put my number, which is number. I'm just going to give the name as number. Here I'm going to copy this from JS, and this is the formatted number variable which we have passed. So in this Lightning card, I do not want any icons, so I'm just going to remove it, and I don't want any Lightning button icon, which is utility down. So this also I'm going to remove. So I am left with my footer and this number. So footer also I'm going to remove. This is it, and this is the entire component as of now. So I'm going to click on deploy. Now my component is deployed. I'll just refresh my page once. After refreshing the page, I will go to edit page. Lightning formatted example. This is my component. I'll just paste it here and click on save. Go back. So this is the number which I have initialized in JS and have passed in my HTML. So as you can see, this number is not formatted. You can see like it's 1 2 3 4 5, but it is not comma separated. So for that we can use Lightning formatted number tag in Salesforce LWC. So basically it will be comma separated. After 4 there will be a comma, and after 1 there will be a comma, because it is following international number system. So for that I will come here and I'll just create a tag, lightning formatted number, close it here. So this is the opening and closing tag of lightning formatted number. It will have the attributes, some attributes. So first attribute is value, and in value attribute I'm going to pass this, which we have defined in JS. So this I have passed in my value attribute in the formatted number. So this will display the number in formatted form. So now I'll just refresh the page after deploying the component. It's coming in the formatted form, but I think I'll just add it here. Just copy this, paste it here, write formatted number, then this is formatted number, and close the p tag here. Save it, deploy. Refresh the page once again. So this is my number, and this is my number after using the lightning formatted number tag. So as you can see, it's comma separated. Now there are other attributes as well for our lightning formatted number tag. So the attributes which are, it's like format style you can define, like it's a decimal or it's a percentage or it's currency. So in this video we are only going to see decimal format style. Then there are other attributes as well, like it's maximum fraction digits, minimum integer digits, minimum fraction digits, and minimum significant digits. So what I'm so basically for that I'm going to tell you something. In numbers also, this left part is the integer digits and this is the decimal digits. So here I'm going to, this is the normal number, this is the formatted number. Now I'm going to use it with different tags. I'm going to use it with different attributes. This is formatted number, and here I'm going to use the attribute as maximum fraction digits. Maximum fraction digits I'm going to use. So here there is a attribute maximum fraction digit. Okay, so maximum fraction digits, to be specific, I'll just define as 5. So the maximum fraction digits should be 5. Now I'll just deploy it. As of now you can see this is the normal number which was displayed. This is the number after being formatted. Now we are going to see maximum fraction digits number, which is up to 5. So I'll just refresh the page once. It's coming as like this, 81235. This is up to 5 digits. Okay, this is what it means. The number will be formatted, and after formatting the number it will be up to, like, the maximum fraction digits will be 5. If you change it to 6, then it will be 6. Then we have one more I'm going to show you. One is minimum integer digits. So for minimum integer digits I am going to copy this. Okay, so minimum integer digits will be here. I'll just remove it. Minimum integer digits. Okay, so I'll just click on save. I have given as 5, but here you can see these are 7 digits, so it will not change anything in our UI, it will display 7 digits. It only works when it is less than 5. In that scenario it works. So yeah, I'm going to just write here, I'm going to change the formatted number, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more variable, minimum, and here I'm going to give it as 12 and 81. Copy and paste it here, save, deploy, minimize it, refresh it, refresh again. So it's coming like this. So integers should be 5, so it's 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is for minimum integer digits. There are many other attributes as well in this, and there is one more thing, like you can define your format style as well, like format hyphen style equal to decimal, and you click on save. So the style is decimal. Okay, now if I'll just refresh it, it's decimal itself. So similarly in the format style you can give currency or percentage. I'll just open the document for lightning formatted number. So others you can try from here, like the remaining ones you can try from here. Really helpful source, developer.salesforce.com. So this is the examples which are being displayed as of like right now. It's decimal formatting. So in decimal formatting, this is the format style, and minimum integer digit, minimum fraction digits, minimum significant digits, minimum fraction digits, all those things are here. And this is the preview of it, and you can like directly edit from here also. The code you can directly edit from here. Then if you want to see the examples of currency formatting, then you can go to like select the examples, select the pick list value as currency formatting, and check, give the currency code USD and format style. There are other different attributes for this. Then if you have to select the percentage formatting, then in the percentage formatting you can give the format style as %, and so many things you can do, so many things you can explore. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll put the link in the description for this documentation and this example. Other than that, you can try it out, and if you want to see any other videos related to the topic, then I'll be glad to create new videos on it. So thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel and like it, comment. Thanks, bye.